Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, and I just thought this is an ideal opportunity to show off how we bring you the best value in the market once again, because we're not just sort of buying plants from people we know and trust and ensuring we're going to specialists who've got huge economies of scale, but we're also producing our own in-house and contracting production and all sorts of nice things like that, which means we can bring you the best deals available. So this is an example. We're in the middle of September now, and our baby Cordylines have just been delivered recently and potted up. So they start life as a plug plant like this, tiny little roots there, few leaves coming out the top. In fact, you'll find some people selling these online for the price we sell a mature plant for, but that's another story. So these have been potted up nicely last week. I've got a little pink one here. This is the variety Red Heart, but this greenhouse I'm surrounded by, we've got about 20,000, 30,000 Cordylines in here, I'm estimating. All the varieties that we sell. So we've got things like Salsa, a pink, which is this pink one here. I've got Pink Passion, we've got Red Heart, Red Star, Burgundy, Burgundy Spire, and several others. So these is how they start life. There's little plants, and then they'll root into these over the next few months, over winter, and then probably come February, March, once these are fully rooted out, we'll then transfer them to another pot and they'll grow on some more. And what I'll do is now show you a batch that we've potted up in early spring, and then you can see the finished product, the finished result from plants we've potted up that have been bought on from these. So let's move on. A little bit earlier I was over in the other house showing you the baby Cordylines we just potted, and 18 months later, well, a year to 18 months later, this is the result, the finished product. So those ones are in their first stage pot. They get potted into this sort of size pot in the springtime, and then they grow and develop over the summer into these beautiful sized plants ready to sell to you, looking fabulous. We've got a red one here, we've got the variegated variety here, and you can see for yourself this is the quality we're producing, but because we're doing it at scale, we can bring you that great value price. So thanks very much, see you next time.